Yeah, I was talking a lot. My mic was muted. Shit. So good morning, bon matin tout le monde. Sorry. So I don't know if you guys can hear me good now. Can you guys hear me? Oui, ok, parfait, super. All right, so let remove this. All right, perfect. All right, so now we're good to go. So yeah, I just secured some profits into a sell. I was like, yeah, I went to I think 14 pips in profit. So it's pretty good. Um, so I'm gonna explain how I did that. My target was the golden zone, so that's why I secured some profits. Actually, let me move my stop a little bit. And I think that if we break the low, we're gonna be good for another melting. If we break that golden zone, we're gonna continue down for a little while, maybe for the next QP. So to 750, probably gonna reject 750, create a support in that golden zone to continue up, right? So yeah, so I'm just gonna, before we do the full breakdown, I'm just gonna keep an eye on that trade. Donc bon matin, bienvenue. Donc présentement, je suis dans un petit trade où est-ce que je suis dans une vente. Et le trade est allé à 14 pips de profit, je me trompe pas. J'ai fermé certaines positions et là, ben, je laisse le reste aller. Si on brise le bas précédent ici, on devrait être bon pour continuer jusqu'au prochain TP. Donc on a fermé en bas de 142. Donc techniquement, on devrait visiter 750 avant de, si jamais il y a un retracement vers le haut, après pour vous informer un support dans le Golden Zone. Donc c'était un counter trade trend. Donc j'ai pris ça basé sur l'expérience, basé sur ça fait 3 fois que je manque ce move là. Donc et hier j'en ai parlé dans l'épisode de Forex Talk Over Beer. Donc so I took that sell because it's been 3 times I missed the same move. So yesterday I said in Forex Talk Over Beer, I will not miss that move again. So even if it's a counter trade trend, this one is based on experience, and that's why I took it. I will not advise anyone to take a counter trend trade before having experience, right? So that's really, really, really important. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on that trade before we do the full breakdown. Because my last position I add is only like 6 pips in profit. So as soon as that position is gonna be like around 8 or 9 pips, I'm gonna move stop to break even to all my position. So that's why I'm keeping an eye on this just before we do the full breakdown analysis. But mostly GJ right now is trending bullish. So that's why you should not take a look at sales right now if you don't have experience on GJ, and wait for support to be formed to continue up. But based on analysis I had yesterday and a couple of days before, is every time we reached 142 or 142.250, it got rejected the last couple of times. If you look on H4, I'm going to show you something on H4. So if you look on H4 right here, let me get this and keeping an eye on that trade. Yeah. Where can I get this? Oh, right here. Draw. All right. So if you take a look at here, we tapped 250, rejected, came back over here. And after that, what happened is we continue up, retested, and shoot back down, right? So look what happened here. Tap 250, rejected, retested, and now it's on the way to do the same kind of thing. So that's my thinking here, you know? So I don't know if it's gonna happen, but it looks like it's mirroring exactly the same thing right now. So yeah. So that's why I told myself I will not move this. I will not miss this move another time. So I took it, right? So that's the reason for that counter trend trade. Okay, so now that last position, it's 9 pips in profit. So I'm going to be moving stop to break even to all my position. And that's it. My TP is set at 15 pips for my last position. So because I thought we had room. So but right now I'm just going to secure some more. As we go here, I'm going to close that one in full. And yeah. So let it run. Yep. Yeah. Exactly. So yes, I'm thinking that we should continue down, to be honest. So I got some more partials set up, but yeah, I think we're gonna be good. Oh, okay. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Good job, buddy. Félicitations, félicitations. Yeah, so this trade here. Gonna go place. Oh yes, select entry. And that's it. Let's move this over here. All right, so trade is managed. So now, I mean, worst case is I get stuff at break even, right? So we'll see how it goes. But it's looking good right now. So let me just post something, and we're gonna do a top-down analysis, right? So, and yeah, I will definitely consider that as a win, a pretty good win actually. So yeah, so I feel like we're gonna give some more free money today. So if you take a look on YouTube right now, let's make it rain, baby. Yeah, baby. So yeah, today I feel good. Today we're gonna have some great moves coming up. So yeah. Comment? Des patates frites? Des patates frites? Oh, c'est dans mon Instagram. Ça c'est drôle. Okay, baisse le son. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, man. So that was pretty good. Story. So I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna break down this in full, guys. And yeah, we need our anthem, right? So, da-da-da-da-da. Oh, what a great start of the morning. Yeah, that was good. That was good. Pretty happy with that. Let's get dog dancing on that chart. Dog dance. And oh, that one is cool. I like this one. Here we go. Here we go. Booyah. Here we go. All right, so now let's get going in this thing. Oh, this thing is retracing up. It's cause yes, first 15 minute. Hold on, that 15 minute just closed. Let me check something here. Doji. Yeah, so let's wait. Let's wait and see. So anyways, everything's at step break even right now. So All right. So good morning. Let's do this. All right. So now we're looking at GJ, guys. So let's go start with the monthly. I'm gonna go very quickly on the monthly. We are now on the 21st. Technically, this monthly, I mean, we're still bullish, right? So everything is bullish, and everyone's gonna ask me, why are you in the sell if everything's bullish, right? So we're gonna break that down. Don't worry. If you guys have questions, don't be shy. And you can always post it also, post your chart. Sorry, shoot, I forgot. Sorry, Zoom people, I forgot about that chat. So hold on, wait a second. Okay, so here, what we got here. Good morning. Yeah, great trade. Thank you. Can you flip to 15-minute time frame quickly? Sasha, after the golden zone, will you be able to rise again and reach the last resistance? Probably, but technically probably. But in this situation, I will explain why. Last 15 minutes of the 4 hour needs to make a wick. I believe that's why it's retracing. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. So I think if we break that low now, we should be fine. Yeah, and here we go. So it should be fine now. All right, so monthly is bullish. I'm not gonna pass a lot of time on this, but yeah. And the thing is, this monthly is coming to end soon in a couple of days. It's probably gonna close bullish. Weekly is bullish. We broke previous high, so technically, this week, I mean, we should close bullish, and next week continue up on the technically side of it. So that's why I'm pointing technically, right? Because I'm going to explain something else after. Donc, basé sur le technique, techniquement, on devrait fermer bullish et continuer vers le haut la semaine prochaine. So looking at the daily now. Okay. So now looking at the daily, if you see, I mean, now we retest on the daily, we created a new high. It came back down, create support, and retest this high right now. I mean, in the past 2 days. So now we got to see if we closed under. Maybe that's going to be the start of a bearish trend on the daily. So we got to watch out for that. But so far, I mean, yesterday closed bearish. So are we creating a top wick and coming back down? That's a good question here, you know. But if this daily flips bearish, man, it's going to be melting. Donc, principalement sur le daily, si on regarde, la chandelle présentement est bullish. Donc, on devrait continuer vers le haut. On avait créé un nouveau haut, un nouveau sommet en daily. On est venu vers le bas, créer un support pour retester le haut. Présentement, si cette chandelle-là daily tourne au bearish, ça va être une bonne indication qu'on va maintenant, d'après moi, commencer une tendance vers la baisse. So, just gonna watch out for this trade here. So, let me check here. 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes broke previous low. H1 is closing very strong bearish. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, 30 minute broke previous low, so yeah, we should be good. Should be good. I was super close to my next partial TP also. God damn. Yeah. Okay. So okay, looking at 4 hours. Okay, looking at 4 hours, that's exactly what I was talking about. If you look at 4 hours right now, I mean the last couple of time, and if you go back in the past, oops, sorry. God damn. What happened? Goddamn Mac, I'm not used to it, I guess. What? What is that? Okay. Wow, what's happening here? Did I close this by mistake? Okay, sorry about that, guys. So here. Wish sur mon Mac. Ah oui? Ok. Ah ben la chose que j'aime beaucoup avec Safari par contre, c'est qu'avec ma Magic Mouse, c'est que je suis capable de scroller comme ça dans le passé et ça me fait... Ah oui? Ok, super. Ok, super, parce que quand j'ai essayé avec Chrome, ça marchait pas. Super. So now, here, alright, perfect. So let's bring back this chat. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, so looking at in the past, last time we rejected 140, we melt, right? So if you look at 4 hours, the last couple of time, and let me get the annotation, and I showed that at the beginning of the stream, but for people that just joined, let me explain you why I took a sell here. So the explanation is really simple. It's last time we reach last time we reached 142, 250. It got rejected to the downside, create support, came back up and retest those high, right? And after that, what happened? Melt. So here we came back up to 250, came back down, create support, retest that high right here, right? And now we start to reject. So are we gonna melt like yesterday? Maybe. There's good probability for that. So that's why I decided to take it, and it's been 3 times that the exact same move happened in the past couple of days. So I'm like, all right, this time I'm not missing it. So even if everything is bullish, that's why I went bearish. So, but of course, if we form support now, it's gonna be a really good indication that we're gonna be good to continue up. So I still think we are bullish in the trend, but based on what I saw in the past, that's why I took that sell. And I will not advise anyone without experience to take that, right? So that's really important. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to give a like to the stream and smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe also. So now looking at that trade on the 15 minute is still respecting previous high, broke previous low, should be fine. Donc, let me do this in French for a second. So, donc, la réalité, pourquoi j'ai pris un sell ici, même si tout est bullish, c'est que dans le passé, dans les derniers jours, toutes les dernières fois qu'on a atteint 142, 250, on a rejeté vers le bas et je m'attends de faire la même chose. Donc, on a créé un nouveau sommet ici, on est venu plus bas créer un support pour retester le sommet et on a complètement fondu vers le bas. Exactement la même chose qui est en train de se préparer ici. Si on regarde, on a créé un nouveau sommet, on est venu ici, créer un support, retester le nouveau sommet, puis là on est prêt pour la descente. Donc c'est un petit peu ce que je vois présentement. Donc même si tout était bullish, j'ai décidé de prendre un sell basé là-dessus. Je ne recommande pas à personne de faire ça si vous n'avez pas d'expérience sur GG, donc très important. Et now looking at 1 hour, oops, let me get this. Sorry. Looking at 1 hour, I mean, we established resistance here, and now we have 6 minutes left in this candle, and I think if this candle closed over here, I mean, we should be good. I mean, anything under 142 should be good to continue down a little while before pushing back up. Based on the 30-minute, resistance was formed, broke previous low, closed under with a tiny wick, but this new 30-minute candle is creating that top wick and already broke previous low, right? My only problem now is we have 5 minutes left, so we might, if it closes bullish, I'm going to be closing pretty much all my position to secure profits, because that means we're establishing a support in the golden zone and we're going to be able to continue up. But I'm going to wait for this candle to close to see what's going on, because anything can happen with GJ. So that's the idea. Technically, what we're looking for in this session right now, it will be for buys, obviously, because the trend is bullish, okay? So if we create a support in this golden zone, I think that's going to be a great indication. We're going to retest the high, because right now a new high has been formed on the 30-minute. So we're coming back down, and this is the golden zone, the fib rejection, right? So you from there to there, and whoops, sorry, from there to there. Here we go. So you got your golden zone. But now when I'm looking at this, I think I did this. Oh yeah, my bad. Yeah, so I got more room here actually. Sorry. Whoa, I did that the wrong way. So yeah, so that make more sense. Sorry about that confusion. So here it is. So technically I should have more room, so we can establish the golden zone over here. So yeah. Good morning, good morning. So let's see this. It's good. So yeah, so at this point I closed most of my position. I'm left with a small runner, and we'll see how it goes. All right. Moving stop. Here we go. All right, all right. So yeah, pretty good win. Pretty good win. Pretty happy with that. So now let's see. Morning, morning, Zane. So if you guys have question or charts, don't be shy. All right, so let's see here. Last 15 minutes. Oh yeah, we read that. This one was risky. This one was a risky one since it closed with no wick on top. But do you know where I could enter and if there was a chance? So let's take a look. Whoa, what happened here? Okay. Whoa, there's a lot of lines there. Okay, so this is GJ. Oh no, GA. Sorry. So 1 hour big momentum breaking down trend. Okay, so we broke that consolidation. SMA showing we're going bullish. Oh, if SMA say so, man. Shit. SMA say it's going bullish, so it might be going bullish. 2 a.m. broke and closed above support. You mean resistance, right? So this was previous resistance. Close above, came back, retest with a wick, and yeah, that's a pretty good entry, man. Pretty good entry. Very well, very well, very well done. If I could enter, there was a chance. Yeah, that was a good entry. Actually, the entry was that was a little premature. It depends. If you enter on that doji after that retest, yeah, that's a great entry. If you enter on the candle open, it's really risky. So yeah. So at this point, I mean, yeah, everything got closed. So I put my stop at in profit for I think was like 4 pips for my runner. So that's good. Good morning. Hell yeah! I'm like, screw this thing. I'm not gonna miss it a third day. I'm like, hell no. And I was lucky to be able to grab it because what happened is this candle, this 30-minute candle, when I was finishing my marking on my chart was already like around here, right? So I was like, shit, I missed it. And it came back and retraced all the way up. I'm like, okay, that's risky because it might move the other way. But you know what, man, I had that one on the feeling because I saw this move so many times in the past couple of days. I'm like, screw this. I'm sniping an entry, so I snap an entry while retracing. And when it came down a little bit and broke previous low on the 15-minute, I entered 2 more position and went to I think 14, 15 pips profit. So on the first position, so that was good. Yeah, pretty happy. Oh yeah, it makes sense. Definitely makes sense. Um, what? Yeah, but right now it actually makes sense. On the 30-minute, it definitely makes sense. My only problem is we broke under 142, so we broke we closed under 1 142. So yeah, yeah. So yeah, no, exactly. But at this point, when I entered, it was like here, so I had room to 142. Yeah, I enter on the 30, based on that 30 minute when it broke previous low, when it retraced here. So, because I missed the entry, right? So I went down, because my analysis, everything was done on the 30 minute, but now I was kind of screwed because I wanted an entry. So it was like, I think it's over here. Yeah, over here, this candle at 5 a.m. Yeah, retrace over here. And based on 30 minute, that was the break of the low here, right? So I was like, all right, perfect. That's the same entry I would have taken on the 30 minute. So I'm good. So that's why I took that first entry while retracing up. And when it started breaking the low again over here on that 30 minute, I entered two more position. So yeah. So now this makes sense, to be honest, for buy, but I didn't take it because I just closed a trade. Um, and yeah. Yeah, it definitely makes sense. So let's take a look at this chart here. Oops. Nice chart, buddy. Nice labeled. All right, price found resistance, creating Asian high. Price found support. Price broke Asian high and created support above. This candle closed strong bullish, showing sign of further upside. Yeah, that's great. Support is formed. Took entry here. Next candle aiming to retest the 4-hour candle, blah, blah, blah. TP just, yeah, that's perfect, man. Great trade. The only thing, though, and it all comes with, I think, experience and confidence. You took your entry when you broke your previous high, right? You should be able to enter on the opening of this candle. The reason why is this engulfing bullish candle is your confirmation, right? So you don't need a second confirmation. Of course, if you want a second confirmation, that's fine. But you gotta understand that your stop is gonna be higher now. So now your stop is here, and instead of having like, I don't know, maybe 7-8 pips, now you're probably like at 10 pips, 11 pips, something like that. So that's the only thing I would change. But except that, it's pretty good. Very good, my friend. Donc très bon. Dans le fond, ce que j'expliquais pour les gens en français, c'est simple, c'est que le support a été formé. On n'a pas besoin, cette chandelle-là, c'est votre confirmation. Donc cette chandelle-là, c'est la confirmation comme quoi vous avez un support établi, vous avez une chandelle qui va envelopper l'autre, donc on appelle engulfing. Donc ça, c'est votre confirmation. Vous pourriez entrer ici à l'entrée, au début de la chandelle, au lieu d'attendre de briser le haut précédent. Donc, en attendant le haut précédent, ben là, c'est sûr que ça vous donne une deuxième confirmation, mais c'est déjà assez solide comme confirmation. Puis, qu'est-ce qui arrive, c'est que si vous prenez l'entrée ici, votre stop est maintenant 3 pips de plus. Donc, moins bon à mon avis. Alright, guys, so it's your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to give a like to the stream, subscribe to the channel so you know when we go live next time. And yes, here is Mike. My chat from earlier. We took a look at that, no? Did we? Okay, let me check. Oh, 15 minutes. This is GJ. You see, enter. That's the difference here. I would have wait for the break of the high on this one. Why? Because it's a tiny wick. So I want to make sure I can see a break, right? But that's pretty good. You enter on the opening of the candle, I guess. Because and the other thing is this body candle is really small. So for second confirmation, I would have wait for this one to break previous high. That's the only thing. Because it was a tiny wick, so you better wait. But except that, great entry, man. Great entry. Mike. Mike. All right, Mike did not break the last top. Otherwise, breaking the top may fall. Yeah, exactly. Same idea here. Same idea. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. And if we closed, because this was on 1 hour, you know, so on 30 minutes it looks like a fake out, right? So that's why my zone is not at the top. It was based on H1, this zone. Let's put it here like this. Boom. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's go see here. Did you already close your trade? Oh, yes. So my trade was around here. And I had stopped based on the 15-minute. Oops, that was based on the 30 minutes, sorry. So, and my stop was right over here. So I had a 10 pip stop and it went to 16 pips total, but I closed around like 14. So most of my position, and the runner, I think I closed like at 3 or 4 pips, something like that. So that was the trade basically. Yeah, so that's a good start. So let's see if we can get a second win. Hey Sasha, can you check my buy limit on GJ? Oh, buy limit. Oh, someone just hit partial TP. There we go. Let's get. Oh, another partial TP just got hit. Who was that? All right, demand area price came up, coming back down, looking for buys around here. But why? What's your indication that you're looking for buy around here? Just curious. Oh, because you're magic trend line. Okay, I see. Yeah, it makes sense. But yeah. So basically, it should be around this area technically. Yeah, it started to reject 142 again. Wow. So I think if this closed bearish on this 30-minute, that's gonna be the perfect break and retest of that 142 level. So if we do so, that's going to be a good indication we're going to be coming back down to probably around like 750. Yep. Basic break and retest, right? Because those 142 act like support resistance, right? So those major key levels, QPs. It can wick and trigger your buy stop and pull you down. Yes, definitely. Oh yeah, I forgot it was a buy stop on this chart. Thanks. Yeah, I don't use buy limits and buy stop, to be honest. It's really rare. I can't even remember last time I used a buy limit or buy stop. I don't like it because sometimes it just wick and yeah, no. I wait for candle to close most of the time, and yes, of course I take impulse, but I take impulse in a specific way, you know, and on a specific candle. I bought GJ at 141, 681. 141, 141, 681. Oh, okay, in Asian or London session. Okay, yeah, that's great. Took out 11 pips with 80%. Now is as it broke the high of the 15 minute, but since the second candle, flip bearish, close everything. Yeah, good idea, man. Secure profits. Don't be greedy. That's fine. Man, greed is your worst enemy, guys. Greed is greed is horrible. Okay, let's put that desk up. Oh, you know what? Let's wait a couple minutes. Let me just change this here before people ask me. Here we go. So that is my IG for people on YouTube. Here we go. Yeah, no, that's why I was saying 142 is really strong. So, and the fact that this bullish closed under, that's why I didn't look for buy. Now, if this candle prints bearish, rejecting 142, probably gonna come down to our golden zone. So, well done, well done. So yeah, so guys, basically, bonjour Michael, Michael, sorry dude. Bonjour, bonjour. So again, I'm gonna do that in French. Donc, principalement, on a brisé 142. Présentement, ce qu'on a, c'est exactement le classique break et retest. Ok, donc c'est-à-dire qu'on a brisé, on est venu retester ici, puis là on est en train de former une résistance. Donc si on forme une résistance ici, techniquement, ça devrait être bon pour une vente jusqu'au moins 7,50. C'est sûr que je ne conseille pas de prendre ça parce que c'est un trade qui va aller contre la tendance. Seulement prendre avec expérience. So guys, I don't advise taking a sell here if you don't have experience. That's really, really important. This is for advance. You want to trade the trend, right? So don't do that to yourself because most of the time you'll be losing money if you're trading against the trend. That's really important, guys. Really, really, really important. So, and if you missed the explanation for why I took a sell this morning, I highly suggest you rewatch the beginning of the stream. I think that was pretty good. Yeah, so it actually tells you that you need to look at your chart in the past and see what happened around those price to understand price action. So this is something people forget sometimes. And I often spot stuff that it was funny because yesterday I was actually breaking down UCAD just for actually my boss because he was looking to buy US dollars. So he's like, hey, what do you think? So I started putting up the chart. It's like, hey, yeah, if what happened if it depends on what's gonna happen today, talking about yesterday about with Biden and everything. But technically, look at this. And it was funny because I mean every pair works the same basically, just move differently, right? And it happened. It just happened. It's a hey. So yeah. So anyways, it's funny. Okay, so let's take a look at GE. I didn't took a look at GE yet this morning because I was in a trade, right? So and now we got this bearish candle that just broke previous low, so that's pretty good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So 30 minutes. Oh, I still have 15 minutes for this candle. Oh yeah. That was the first 15 minute. So we'll see. Man, it got some juice. So looking at 1 hour. 1 hour broke previous low also. Oh yeah, 142. Those one on top. Yeah, that's what yeah. Yep. Yeah, no, exactly. That's what I explained. The last couple of times in the past, if you look, every time we went to 142, and I explained that yesterday. If you want to, guys, watch the episode of Forex Talk over a beer, I talked about that on how I missed those moves. And I will not repeat that again. And I was drinking a lot yesterday. Forget about that. No, I'm joking. But I felt like, okay, let's get drunk, to forget about the fact that I missed like a 60-80 pip move. So yeah, but no, I didn't get drunk. But yeah, so every time basically we reached those level, we rejected. So here we created a new high, came back down, create support, retest that high, and melt. Here, coming back up, create new high, create support, retest that high. Now it looks like it's gonna melt. So, and for people trading like market structure pattern, you got your famous double top. So yeah, I don't trade based on that, but there are hints, right? Yeah, free traffic for the sellers. So I think we have a pretty good sell idea, but again, don't forget this is going against the trend, and this is super risky. So be very careful about that. Can I take sell here now? I mean, you can do whatever you want. So this is not a signal room, but right now, I mean, I would wait for this candle to close and see what's happening. So you gotta be patient. I don't trade on the 15 minutes, so for me it was a big no, and especially that had no wick at the bottom, like our friend says. So yeah, it's a no. Yeah, because you guys cannot hear people on Zoom on YouTube. Sorry, I still didn't fix that problem. I need to get on this weekend. But this weekend I'll be very busy. This weekend I'm recording most of my videos that I need to get done for the course. So, donc, principalement, les gens ont demandé si on pouvait prendre une vente en ce moment. Je vous dirais d'attendre. Présentement, on doit attendre que cette chandelle-là ferme. So we need to wait for this candle to close. Pour voir où on va aller. Là. OK? Donc, il reste encore 12 minutes. Donc, très important de voir qu'est-ce qu'on va faire. Parce que si on regarde sur le 15 minutes, la chandelle précédente était bearish, mais elle a fermé avec pas de mèche en bas. Donc, ça veut dire qu'il y a très peu de chances pour le prix de continuer vers le bas, mais c'est sur un 15 minutes. Donc, 15 minutes, c'est un time frame qui est très, très faible en confirmation. Donc, c'est pour ça que je me base pas sur les 15 minutes. Mr. Sasha, could you please change the color of your candle because it confuses us? If colors confuse you, man, you have no idea how the market's gonna fuck you up. so, so sorry, sorry, but I mean, yeah, no, this is my style, man. Blue and white, baby. Why blue and white? Because psychologically, blue will calm you, and I'm a kind of person that's really always like on the go. So blue is calming me, so that's why I get blue. So red is really aggressive and it get me nervous. So let me see here. I missed some message here. I took GJ buy during London for 30 pips, so that's good, Gary. Very good. I bought GJ at 141. So a lot of people took buys, and that's great. Yeah, to be honest, like around here was a golden setup. Like around what time was that? 2:30. This 2:30 a.m. candle entering on the 3 a.m. candle. Man, that was perfect. Perfect setup here. This perfect setup of break, come back, retest, create support, poof. This is so basic. This is beautiful. Yeah, that was wow. What an easy, not easy trade, but a soft trade. I miss those one. It's been a while since we didn't get those nice move on New York session. Yeah, so there was always volume in there, in those candles. But I've been backtesting something for quite days now. Based, my trade is based, and I'm gonna run a simulation this weekend to if I have time between my recording videos. But I'm gonna try to run simulation this weekend and backtest this idea. But it's based basically on one specific candle, and one way to enter. And so far it looks good. So far it looks good. I backtested it on TradingView, and so far so good. I say that it's been working probably like 85% of the time. So now I just need to test it with simulation. But if everything's good, I'm going to be sharing this information to you guys. Took out 11. Okay, perfect. You think the price is coming back to retest the level 141, 725? 725. Oh yeah, probably. It's gonna go to 750 at least. I'm pretty sure before coming back up. If we coming back up. My analysis for Euro NZD. All right, let's take a look. Oh, alert! Be careful. The ECB published interest rate today. That's good. Good thing. And we're gonna go watch the news too. Well, we didn't watch the news yet. So yeah, good call. Buy in breakout of 16835. Okay, so you're looking for buys above that. Okay, makes sense because right now it's consolidating. We can see here for rejection or no. If it stay above 168.20, we look for buy. 168.20. 168. Okay, yeah, over here. Year line here. Free traffic. That's the 1 hour, right? I mean, you're trending bearish basically on EN. Why you want to take a buy? Because you tap here and you want to mirror this move. Yeah, it makes sense. It's kind of the same idea I had on GG. Uh-huh. Yeah. 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 Well, you gotta wait for that. But what I will do if I was you though, I will also prepare a move to the downside, right? Because technically speaking, yeah, yeah. So I don't know what's on the left here, over here, downside, but if you guys break this line, come back retest, and now you're gonna be good for sells. And yeah, above here should be fine for buys, right? So so that would be the two plans here for Euro NZD. Yeah. Because technically speaking, it's bearish. But I understand the point that here, when we tap this level, it got rejected because this is the same idea I had this morning with GJ. So I understand that completely. But technically speaking, you gotta keep in your mind that you are in a bearish trend, right? So you don't want to counter trend trade, but the idea is good here on the buy side also because of this, right? So yeah, that's pretty good. Oops. Let's remove this. All right. We also get clean traffic. Yes. Okay, perfect. Eric. Oh, we went to this. Okay. I sent you an IG on IG the recap on how get the TradingView app hash. Oh, okay, perfect. Thanks. Merci, Jeffrey. Merci. Bro, the color psychology. Yeah, no, it's true. It's to be honest, it's true. The blue is easy for eyes. Yes. Daily candle respected bearish low wick. Daily candle respected. Respected what? Daily candle respected. Yeah, but this daily is not closed yet, right? So daily candle respected bearish low wick. Yes, so far, yes. Do you think this daily bullish candle is going to form bearish since it's respected bearish low? Yeah, but it might flip also. You don't know. It might flip during today and break previous low. So, but so far, yes, we're respecting it. So far, it makes sense to continue up. But my problem is 142. Because the white candle always is bullish. Oh. Because the white candle is always bullish. Says who? Says who? Who decided the white candle is bullish? So I like the blue bullish. So yeah. Why white should be bullish? Hey, merci Jeffrey. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Congrats on your trade. Bye bye. If we cross the golden zone, were we going to continue failing as yesterday? Yes, that's my thinking. Can you explain what those purple line are, Andrew? God damn, Andrew, man. That's such a long running gag. But yeah, those purple line for people, because I know now people's gonna ask since he asked. So those line are QP levels, so quarter points. They are psychology levels. So most of the people, most of the time, it's gonna be respected by the market. Good morning, Mr. Miller. Did some nice sleeping over there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, this guy's doing yoga. That's cute. Thanks. Yeah, I wasn't missing on this again. So it's like screw this. Yeah, I'm gonna try to help people in the that took buys. So I'm gonna put my office in bullish mode. Yeah, there's some people who took buys, but I didn't took it. I didn't call that. And the reason why is that 142 line here is a very strong level and closed under. So I don't like it. So now we got 2 minutes left in this candle. 2 minutes left in this candle. And if this closed bearish, I think price might come down to this golden zone, at least to 750. But again, guys, I will not advise anyone to take that sell if you don't have experience on GJ. This is a counter trade trend, so understand this is super risky. Super duper frisky. Frisky? Risky. Jesus. Yeah, huge rejection. So right now, if it closes like this, for me, it's a no-go. What is the golden zone? Sir, what's your golden zone, please? Came in late. Oh, you can watch the replay, but let's do this again because we have time, right? I know I'm gonna go break down GA after that. So basically, this is a fib rejection. So based on swing high, swing low. So I usually put it on 1 hour or 30 minutes. So you take the lowest of the candle, and here you got your rejection zone in between the 60 and the 618. So it's a rejection zone in the fib. So I don't trade based on that, but I use that sometimes as hints on the market. So either for can be a target for counter trade, or a place that I'm looking for to get a support form and take a buy in it, So sink it. We gotta risk it for the biscuit. Yeah, but this one is yeah, no. I don't like this. This for me is a no-go. If the wick was like around here, possibly to enter on the break of the wick would be good, but now since this wick's over here, and we broke previous high, broke previous low, so it's like 50-50 right now. So it's a coin flip. Yeah. So it's a coin flip at this time. Even 1 hour broke previous high, previous low. Well, actually, yeah. So I saved you on that. No, I didn't fix the YouTube thing, so people on YouTube cannot hear you yet. I'm gonna try to do this weekend. I need to fix that. So sorry, guys, on YouTube. Um, in a couple minutes, I'm gonna put my speaker, just because my girlfriend's still sleeping, but it's probably gonna be awake in a couple minutes. But once that's done, I'm gonna put my speaker so at least you can hear a little bit from what's going on Zoom. Um, and guys, if you're on YouTube right now and you didn't give a like to the stream, don't forget to smash that like button, and not the make it rain button, but smash that like button. That'll be very great. And if you didn't subscribe to the channel, don't forget to do so. So you're gonna know when we go live. Yesterday we had a pretty good episode of Forex Talk Over Beer, so I highly suggest you guys rewatch that. I actually broke down how I did those scalps yesterday. So yesterday I did scalp of like 6-7 pips. Two of those. One of those the runner went to 20 pips. So yeah, so that was broken down. I also explained my swing trade that I did from Asian to NY that finally got stopped at break even, and I explained what I'm gonna do in the future. So yeah, if you might want to watch that. All right, so let's do here. Okay, wow, price action. All price action setup work. Yep. Let's see your message I missed. Do you think this daily? But okay, we answered that. Why do not trade AUD US or USD SHF? Your setup is good, so work all market and can have gained more money. No, I focus on one thing. I focus on one pair because I consider that as I compare that to a woman, right? So I want to know that woman, how she react, what does she like, how she move, you know. So it's the same thing with a pair. You want to see how she react, how she move on certain news, on certain area, at certain price. That's how you're going to be able to take entries like I did, because I know GJ, you know. I know GJ. I've been trading GJ for 1 year, focusing on one pair only. Lately, I decided to backtest GA just to, you know, learn something else, but my main focus still GJ. So yeah, because if you try to start to look at different pairs and 5-6 pairs, I mean, it's impossible. It's like a woman. Try to go after like 5 or 6 women at the same time. Trust me, man. Ain't gonna work. Ain't gonna work. Ain't gonna work. So you might be the exception. Maybe you're the good player, but I don't think so. But yeah, and the other reason why I don't trade any pair with the USD in it, it's because USD has too many politics attached from different countries, right? I mean, there's too many stuff politically related to the USD. So USD does business with every country. So I mean, yeah, anything goes bad somewhere, it's gonna fuck up your analysis completely. Sorry for the F-bomb. But yeah, no, so that's why I don't trade any USD pair, even when I started. Because the thing with the USD, well, now it's not true anymore with Trump, not yet, but Trump was farting the wrong way, and suddenly your trade was going the other way, you know? So I was like, there's no way, I'm not going to do that. And again, even with Biden or any president, if the president says something during the day about anything, trust me, man, even if you have the best technical analysis, most of the time you're going to get screwed. So that's why I don't touch any USD pair. I think the AUD USD have more volume than GJ. Maybe. I don't care. The reason I explained it is most of the time USD will screw myself off. Actually, that's not true, because at the beginning I did trade USD GPY. I did trade UG. And yeah, I forgot about that. And I took some good wins, but I had some pretty bad losses also. Um, UJ? Oh yeah. And UJ and UJ at first I find it fast. I was like, holy shit, that pair moves fast. Because before that I was trading what was it? I think it was EJ. So I mean when I started UJ I was like, man, this is an F1 car, you know? But no. All price action setup work, all market doesn't have but volume. Yeah. Well, what about price action? Oh, the price action can work more good to have low risky. Yes, and I think the DJ can serve the low risky on the market. Blah blah blah. Yeah yeah yeah. Yeah. Just gold and GG. Yeah, that's fine. Already smashed the like button, Mike. Yeah, thank you. All right, sir. Yeah. Well, that's why everything USD related. Yeah, right now anyone trading anything with USD pair, you guys are like I don't know, hero, cowboy, I don't know how to call it cuz nobody knows right now what's going to happen with the USD at this point. I mean, the new president just came in place, nothing is signed, nothing is decided, nothing is, it's just like there's so much thing that can happen in the next couple of days. Man, if you trade USD pair, trust me, man. You like to play with fire. You just like that's the only thing I have to say. There's too many stuff that's I don't know. Um, yeah, that's exactly yeah. I know that's crazy. Um, oh yeah, absolutely. Oh maybe. Yep. Yep. Probably. I don't look at Bitcoin a lot, so I personally I don't. I don't know. I just personally I don't believe into it, but that's okay. And I think that the idea of the blockchain makes sense, but I don't think Bitcoin's gonna be the thing. I think it's a lot of hypes. I think countries gonna have their own crypto, and at that stage, Bitcoin's gonna go down. So now looking at GA. I mean, looking at GA on the daily, we create a new high. Same thing on 4 hour right now. Created a new high, came back down, create support. So people trading on those higher time frames makes sense. I mean, and again, we are trending up, right? So it makes sense. Now looking at H1, if you look at H1 here, create a new high. We can adjust our zone here on H1 over here. Donc, si on regarde sur l'heure, donc ça c'est le pound versus le dollar australien. Donc, on a créé un nouveau sommet. On a descendu vers le bas, créé un support et là, on pousse vers le haut. Donc, en 4 heures, on avait une tendance à la hausse. Et là, si on regarde sur le 1 heure, on a une tendance à la baisse. Donc, pour renverser la vapeur, on va devoir fermer en haut de 7.50. So to reverse that intersession bearish trend, we gotta have to close like over this zone here. But yeah, so right now, I mean, we create a new high on the 30-minute. So now just wait for support to be formed to continue up. And yeah, same thing on the 30 minutes. So create a new high, wait for support. Actually, support was formed right here. So buy can work. But the intersession looks bearish. But the main session is bullish. Yep. Gold, gold, gold. Gold, that's another one that's going to be, lots of room on the left. Oh, yes. Yeah, holy crap. Yeah, so if you look, 30 minutes is ranging. Yeah, above 1875. Yeah, above 1875, I think the buy can work. Yeah, I think that can be solid. But right now it's just ranging, right? So looking at GJ is still doing nothing right now. Retesting 142 again. That's good because if we get this candle to close above 142, establishing support, now even if this zone's right here, this is based on H1, right? We should get the volume to push up in the New York open session. So yeah, but again, this level is really, really strong. So okay, we got no, we answered that. All right, perfect. So I think I'm up to date in the chats. Question chart. So guys, if you have more chart, I think I'm good. This. I started to download some, not download, but selected some music on that YouTube library. There's some weird music, man. Now I understand why Raj's playlist was like that. So I selected all kind of random stuff. So I just didn't figure out how to play it on YouTube yet, but it's coming up for people on YouTube. Yeah, it's funny. You get those. It just sounds basically, and they try to do a cover from a song that exists that was popular. It's so funny. Oh well. Oh yeah, I want to check the news. That's what I want to do. That's what I want to do. Military probably states. This euro. Yeah, so for people trading EJ or any European pair, yes, of course, we got some funky stuff coming up. But except that, NZD, that's tonight. CPI for NZD, but that's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna watch that because it's gonna be the first time I'm gonna be actually watching this news. The CPI for NZD, because I never take a look at what's happening for NZD based on news. So just gonna journal some stuff. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. So this 15-minute, if it closed bearish, that's going to be also the close of this 15-minute. And I think if this closed bearish, once the next one breaks the low, I think that can be a good entry also. Let's go back to the news for a second. I want to see Forex Live. Anything came up? Let's take a look quickly. Those headliners, UK January, CBA trend still. Okay. Beginning to pay. Biden set. No issue sweeping orders. Dollar continue to keep weaker. Interest rate. Not much. Says number is going to be the same, I guess. Yeah, not changing anything, so should be the same. So yeah, but should be very except that nothing much. So again, gotta sell this for people that just joined in. Gotta sell this morning. And I broke it down at the beginning of the stream, so if you guys want to rewatch it, it's gonna be breakdown. Let me see here. What's that boo? Oh. Ok, je vais aller voir ça. Man. Alright, so I guess now we gotta be patient, guys. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. Quebec, yeah. Slowing down a little bit, but yeah. Man, no, I missed the game. It was too late. What time was it? Like what, 10 o'clock or something like that? Yeah, it was way too late. Toffoli 3 goals? Oh, what? Hat trick? Wait, what? I'm gonna have to watch the replay. Did we won? We won? Oh, we lost. In shootout? Shit. Are you serious? Wow. Suzuki, man, 3 points. Oh, Tatar, yes, he's in my pool. Great. Really? That's it? Damn. KK got a goal. That's great. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go watch that later on. Exciting. Man, yeah, it was way too late tomorrow. Yesterday. Sorry, guys. So I'll be right back. All right, guys.
I'm laughing. I'm looking at Biden's Twitter account. Like, he's gonna be exactly like Trump now, but like it's definitely more serious. He goes, after taking the oath of office, I went straight to work, taking action on the pandemic. Which is funny.
Yeah, he needs to do so. I mean, anyways. Man, I like Biden. I don't know why, because I think he has a dog.
Yeah, he does. He does have a
He's
dog.
actually the. I think I read something about like he's the first president having a dog in the White House since I don't know when. So I don't know. It's pretty cool.
Really?
Or a first rescue dog or something like that. Yeah, I think it's
Really?
definitely a rescue. But yeah,
I'm gonna send you a video that you're gonna like. Right.
I think GJ can serve the low risky on the market. Oh yeah, we read that before. Sorry. What are you thinking about interest rate? Yeah, we answered that. Okay, perfect. We are up to date on message. Suppose price created a bearish candle. Why is it better to wait for the next candle to wake up before heading down? Oh, it's not better in every case. It's better if you do enter on an impulse move on a specific way. So this is a specific setup. What are you talking
There
about?
you go.
So
Look at DJ.
so GJ is coming back down, and we have 3 minutes.
2 minutes left. Yeah.
Yeah, 2 minutes left in this candle. Looking at 1 hour, yeah, it makes sense. We broke previous low, so yeah. So I think on 30 minute it was just like a retest of 142. This is doji for me, so this for me is a write off, and this will be my confirmation for resistance being formed. Um, and yeah, but don't forget, guys, this is a counter trade trend. So be very careful. Don't take this. I'm telling you guys, don't take it if you don't have experience on GJ. Okay? So this is really risky. You're going against the trend. It might reverse at any moment in your face. So be very careful with that. Um, and yeah, and stop. It's gonna be pretty big if you base yourself on based on the 30 minute. So that's gonna be like a, what, 16, 15 pip stop. So that's pretty big.
I wanted to come back.
Yeah,
And I wish this didn't happen at the end of the channel. Parce que là, si l'amour qu'on va prendre, il est là, là,
yeah.
il est là.
So that wick is now filled. So now, I mean, at this stage, I mean, if it closed like this, we don't have a lot of range to 750 now. So yeah.
And 800 is right there, so I think for the best sell is going to be after below 141 800. The 8,000, c'est ça, ouais. Ouais, c'est pas. Il est là aussi, ouais.
So we'll love a retrace, but and it looks like we got 15, no, 45 seconds.
Yeah.
We didn't broke previous low, did we? No.
We did on 195 by like not even 1 bit. By like point
Yeah.
0.01 bit. I might just take an entry here though. Sasha,
Yep.
do you mind if he's gone to GA? Because I want to show you something.
Oh yeah, sure. Give me 1 sec. All right, so grab an entry, first entry around, yeah, around where our price is right now, and I'm gonna snap more entries when we broke the low. So and understand this is super risky, guys. So
It is.
and let's take a look at GA. All right, so this is GA.
Do you have a golden zone marked up? Because I had a golden zone. And
Yep.
yeah, so I was looking for support to come from here. And also, if you see to the left, you see that that's like you see kind of support. You go to the 12 o'clock, like read from yesterday, I think it is.
Here.
No, the after the right.
Support, you mean? Oh, this one here.
No, like you see just under the 1.76500 to the left where it says 12. I'm not sure if that's
Here?
no left a bit more. Like left, all the way left. Yeah, the left a bit. And you see that here. Then the left again.
This one?
Up. Is there any way I could draw on this?
Yes, you click on annotation.
Yeah, you can.
Where's
Annotate.
At the top.
oh
Here.
yeah.
View options. Annotate. There you go.
See there?
Yeah, okay.
And could you say that could work as confluence for because if we get support here,
Mm-hmm.
that will also be working as they'll be expecting this support here.
Yes, but at the same time, this is your most recent traffic here. So technically, if we had issues, you're gonna see it now, you know. So if you see this price is reacting to this line here, which is this QP, and now you get this retest right now. So if this candle close back above 500, I think yes, that's gonna be a great support to now go retest that high.
Okay. But should I watch out for something like here?
Yep,
Okay, so that's my most recent. Okay.
that's what I'm thinking. You know. Oops, what's going on here? Okay. Boom. So, and understand that right now we are at a minor support, right? So, gotta be super careful here. I mean, this is super risky, super risky. I hope nobody that has no experience got that, because this is, I'm telling you, there's 80% chance it's gonna be a loser. I'm telling you guys. So, well, it's time, close it. You know. So I took a small entry on this one.
Yeah, I took 0.5%, I think. 0.6%, something like that. But technically, it's off.
No, I mean,
It's off.
I said 80%, but that's not true. I mean, there's a really high chance this play is gonna play well, but it's because I just don't want people to take it. That's why I'm saying that, because sometimes I know people just copy trade, and man, this, I know what I'm doing, you know. So based on an experience, and I tried those kind of moves before and it worked, so that's why I'm able to take it now. But if I was just starting with GJ, I will never take this trade. So So this is the first couple minutes of this candle. So we're gonna create that top wick on the 30 minutes. And we might come down after. So of course on this one, I'm gonna be taking a look at the 15 minutes and see what's happening. If that 15 minutes start closing on this kind of trade, yes, I'll be reducing risk. But normally, I always base myself on the 30 minute for closed candles. But this one, I'm gonna be managing it on the 15. This is a special setup. What? I placed it above the 15. Yes, above the 15. Oh, someone says former President Obama had the Portuguese dog. Oh yeah, un chien d'eau portugais. Yeah, he meant a rescue dog. First president with a rescue dog. Yeah, that's what I read. Yeah. It's a German Shepherd. I don't know. Maybe I can try to send him some free food.
Yeah, right.
Can try that. No, that would be a good advertising.
To the attention of the 46th president of the United States.
Yeah.
Here is free dog food.
That would be amazing.
He tweets about it, blah blah blah.
That'd be amazing.
Sasha becomes the best actor in the world. Gets promoted to CEO of the company.
I got some pretty good influencer now on Instagram promoting the product in the US because a couple months ago we just entered the US market with Chewy.com. So yeah, so now I'm getting a lot of volume coming from the US now, so it's pretty good.
That's awesome. I know. Remember I told you I used to be on the trading floor at the Laurentian Bank.
Mm-hmm.
So I would trade the FX for them, and it was also for commercial clients. So commercial clients would have if they had US dollars to exchange in Canada, they would call us and we do a trade for them. And we had this one company. I'm not gonna say it, but they were selling food for birds.
Oh yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And man, they were making so much money. They'd call me and be like, "Oh, I need to exchange like 200K US." And I'm like, "Where the fuck is this coming from?" Like, "Oh, we have some client in the States that bought 200 grand worth of US bird food." And I was like, I need to change business and start providing bird food.
Yeah. Let me tell you, man. Anything like dog, cats, birds. Right now, I mean, it's so it's like this. Numbers are up like crazy.
People got quarantine pets.
Yep.
I did. We got our pet in quarantine.
Yeah. It's gonna be a huge problem later on, though. It's people.
Clingy, man. He's so clingy. He needs to be with you all the time. The second my girlfriend leaves, let's say she'll go out of town, whatever, and I'm working, he has to come here in my office and he jumps on my lap and stuff. Like he's fun.
Wow. So GG. What?
That's a nice week created on the 30 minute.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to break that low on the 30 minute to make sure we continue down. 1 hour looks pretty good. What about 4 hour? 4 hours still forming bearish.
1 hour looks good.
Yeah. What is that wick up? What is that wick up? I don't know. A retest? I'm short after this bearish candle. Think it will reach 141, 700. Yes. Yeah, I should go to 750 or very close to it.
We need to break the low, like you said.
The what?
We needed to break the low.
Yeah.
Like you said.
Yeah. Once the load's broken, it's gonna be good. But until then, it's still risky. Until 15-minute close, strong bullish. Until 15 minutes strong, close bullish. Yeah, we'll see. Right now it's a weak bullish. 30 minutes. Also 1 hour. Yeah. 1 hour look good, especially if we break the low on the 1 hour. I mean, yeah. But we definitely need to dip down lower if we want to. If we want to have the power to break that 142, man, we need to come a little lower and push back up. But we'll see. It might just melt also, because every last time that we went to 142, that's exactly what happened. So I'm keeping that in mind. That is one of the really rare occasion where I took a trade against the trend. So, um,
It was a tough day yesterday for me.
it was a what, tough day?
It was a tough day, yeah. Not even my line. I didn't take a trade. It was just tough for my head.
Yeah.
Not the FOMO in, and I'm happy I didn't. But it was tough. It was tough. I mean, I have those days too, and my FOMO, like, I'm really, really much better than I was a year ago. Like, so much better. But sometimes I have that will. I just want to click.
Yeah.
You Mark Wilson?
I don't know. Mark's sleeping. I guess the stash is tired. Mark looked like he's sleeping, or he's watching us in his bed.
Yeah, he does that though.
So
So Mark, if you're watching us in the bed,
yeah, Mark, stop being lazy. Come on, DJ, you can come down, baby. Let's do it. Do it now. Do it. 750. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that should work. That should work. Oh, battery is flashing on my magic key. Oh.
that's not good.
Oh. You know what? I think I'm gonna go get a battery right now.
Good.
There's 2 minutes left in this candle though.
Good.
Looks like it's gonna closing.
The battery flash it's not. Pretty sure you still have some juice with this one.
Yeah, I'll wait a couple minutes. Just to see, but it looks like it's gonna be closing like a doji, so. Come on, dude. Yeah, we're good here, good here. All right, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Pam 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 pam. Pam pam. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Oh, 15 seconds. 15 seconds. And 10, 9, 8, 7. It's like a New Year countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! So yeah, close doji on the 15 minutes.
Doji on the 15?
Yeah, doji on the 15 minutes, so yeah, you gotta wait. So we'll see how it goes. And I think I'm gonna go run for a battery. So I'll be right back. All right, we are back. Donc, pour les gens qui se demandent qu'est-ce qu'on attend présentement, on a rentré, en fait, j'ai rentré un sell. Et là, j'attends juste de voir pour rentrer mes autres positions si on va briser le bas précédent. Si on brise le bas précédent, on devrait être bon pour continuer jusqu'à au moins 7,50. Mais en attendant, ça reste très très risqué. Donc c'est pour ça que j'ai pas pris une pleine position. All right.
Yeah, he's waiting till it breaks 8:30 though.
The 30-minute?
He's waiting when the 30-minute breaks the low. He said.
Yeah.
You wrote it in the chart. Wait till it breaks the 8:30 low.
Same idea. I don't even need to know.
Yeah, the same thing.
I don't even need to know. But yeah, that should be good. What time is it now? It's 7:18. Yeah, should be fine. Should be fine.
Bitcoin is tracing hard. Oh, are we gonna break?
Come on, GJ. So now. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Let's go.
So good with the clean candles on the left too. Just great. Josh, I'll be right back. I'm going to go the coffee.
All right, all right. All right. So there's 20 minutes done in that 1 hour candle. So usually the first 30 minutes, you're gonna see that top wick being formed, and after that we should push back down. Oh, yep. And if it starts closing bullish, I'm gonna be out of there. Donc si ça ferme bullish, ben là je vais fermer ma petite position que j'ai prise. Mais sinon, j'attends de briser le bas précédent.
Yes, that's right. You see how like GA and GJ they kind of make similar patterns.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Yeah.
GA it's made it downward, so if it does close for the 30-minute like bullish or just like some sort of support, I do think that the same thing will be happening on GJ.
Uh-oh.
Do you think the same thing will be happening on GJ?
Yeah, it looks like it. So it might wick down. So we'll see. But yeah, they move pretty much similar to each other. Pretty similar. So you gotta wait. You gotta wait. So 15 minutes. Close doji. Yeah. So respected previous high on the 15 minutes. We gotta be patient. But if we close, I mean not close, but if we start breaking the low of the previous 30-minute, I think that's going to be a great indication for price to continue down. So, yes. Hey, bye, Mike. Bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye, bye. Oh, man, today I'm tired. Need to wake up. Yeah, tonight I'm gonna go to bed early. Come on, GJ.
So if it does close bullish, would you close?
Oh yeah, if that 30-minute close bullish, yes.
So where it stops at 142?
My stop's above the 15-minute, like this one, at 142.
Oh, okay.
You know what? I can actually move it to. Check you on 30 minutes. Oh no, I'm gonna. Yeah, it's right there. So now it's just on top of the wick of the 30-minute, basically. On the previous, like this one here. So right now this is short. This was my entry here. 908. So 908. So I grabbed it when it retraced. So that's why I'm able to get a stop at where's my stop? 142.012. So right here, kind of. So yeah, that's what it is. Boom, boom, boom.
I'm back.
You are back, and I think right at the right moment. Come on, GJ. Stop playing with us.
Getting close to breaking the low.
Yeah, it went down and retraced back up. But once it's done, it's going to be good.
The 1 hour looks so good. I'm on board.
So if you guys taking an impulse, and I don't highly recommend that, but if you do so, you can place your stop above the active wick, not expecting price to coming back down, back up. So you should be fine. Oh, please, guys, coming on YouTube, just mute yourself. Donc, quand vous rentrez sur YouTube, juste vous mettez sur mute. Merci, merci. Thank you. Let's go, GJ. Come on. So yeah, that looks good. So now it's 7:26. Oh, we need to close under. So now, right now we under support. So We definitely need to close under at support.
It would be nice to have this 30-minute close bearish, like kind of convincing bearish.
Yeah, we still have like 3 minutes, and here we go.
About to break.
Here we go, here we go. Come on, baby.
I know too that if when it breaks, everyone's gonna enter sell, so it should get the momentum.
Yeah.
All the traders, we move the market now.
Yeah, we think.
We don't.
we wish. Yeah. Well, unfortunately, not. Come on. Don't do this. Come on, DJ. Stop lying. Really? Come on.
Wow.
I know you want to go down. DJ's just shy right now. It's just like it's too early to give that push down.
It's not wrong either if like if it goes like this, then the next 30 just boom and goes to break it, you know? Because it's a weak bullish one, you know?
Yeah. At this point, it's still a doji. 15 respected previous highs, so yeah. 1 hour makes sense. Yeah.
Zane, are you ready to trade?
No, I'm looking to get into GA. You know, the better I get trading, I take less and less trades and I avoid quite a lot of trades now.
That's good, man.
I've been tracking my, I track like my journal, I track my trade, I track like how I feel, what time I took to trade, blah, blah. So far in 2021, I took 5 trades and I think they're all B, like they're literally all break even.
Yeah.
That's good, man. That's actually good.
I know that's what I was thinking too. It's not it's pretty good to control the losses as well as
And you control yourself also.
yeah.
And it's not even like I'm trying to not take trades. It's like I'm trying to look at the trade and I think, oh, if I send this to Sasha, like what's he gonna think? Oh, like is this a bad thing?
That's a good way of dealing with it. Well, I guess we rejected a little bit.
So you have 10 seconds left.
I really thought we were gonna break it.
Yeah. Let's see here. Still creating lower highs. We didn't broke previous high, right? So we're still trending down at this stage. This is a small body candle, so if this, oh yeah, okay now. I was just about to say if this go above, yeah.
Breaks, I might close half there.
Yeah. I'm out of this. I'm gonna leave a small runner and we'll see.
I close half of mine. So yeah. Well, I mean, I guess this is my first loss of 2021.
Sasha,
Yep.
GA is would you class that as a doji or if it's not a doji? If it closes engulfing, could you enter on the wrong?
Yeah, that's a doji. So that's for me a write-off. If this candle breaks this low, I think it can go down. But I would wait for this wick to form up, and when it breaks the low, yes. But if it start breaking the low right away, I would wait for a top wick to be formed first.
Are you looking for sales on GA?
On GJ, yes, I only left like a very, very small position.
GA.
GA, I didn't took any position. No, GA, I didn't took any position. So yeah, so only have a small runner running right now, and if this new candle breaks the low, I'm gonna give my trade a second chance and re-enter. But now just keeping my losses short, so that's why I closed most of my position. I closed like 80%. So which time frame should we use for entry? I mean, the time frame that you feel comfortable using. So it all depends if you're swing trading, if you're scalping, if you depends on your style. So it just depends. And I mean, yeah, it's different for everyone. On myself, I enter on 30 minutes or 1 hour, and yeah. So, but it all depends on what you look at what you're comfortable doing. It's different for everyone. There are some people taking entries on 5 minute, on 1 minute, on 15 minutes, on the daily. I mean, every time frame is good. Just depends where you look for your confirmation, right? Donc, ça dépend juste de où vous regardez vos confirmations. C'est quoi votre style? Est-ce que vous faites des trades sur plusieurs journées? Est-ce que vous faites des trades en quelques secondes, sur quelques minutes, sur quelques heures? Donc, dépendamment, il y a des gens qui vont entrer sur le 5 minutes, sur le 30 minutes, sur le 1 heure. Moi, personnellement, je rentre sur le 30 minutes ou le 1 heure, principalement. Mais il y a des gens qui vont rentrer aussi sur le chart de la journée, le daily. Il y en a qui vont rentrer sur la semaine, qui vont faire des trades sur plusieurs semaines. Moi, personnellement, je peux pas faire ça. Je suis pas, j'ai pas la patience. Sasha, do a little video on your trading office setup sometimes. Yes, there's a lot of people asking that, so I'm probably gonna do so, but I need to finish to record all my video for my course, and once that's done, I'm gonna be adding more content on YouTube. So that's gonna be one of those. I'm gonna be talking about the setups and what item and tools I decided to use to work with and why. Yeah, because I don't know, some people are interested in that, so I'm gonna do it. Yeah, so coming up, Shane. Oh, I forgot that message here. No.
I have like 0.1, like 20% left on it, but I'm just kidding. I still believe it can go down.
Yeah, but you gotta trade what you see.
Well, I don't know. C'est sûr que si my stop, c'était quoi mon stop, je pense que c'était 15 pips.
Ouais.
Ouais, c'était le mien, c'était 15 pips. Le truc c'était à moins 7 pips. Le reste est fermé, il reste juste 0.20% à moins 7. Just like Raja always says, that if you're not sure or like you think it's gonna go,
Yeah, that's it. Just close partials and be fine. I'm in the okay. Hold on. Wait a second. Until 15 we close strong bullish. Yeah, okay, that's it. I'm in the same trade of GJ. Are you confident it's gonna fall? At this point, we broke previous highs, so technically, it says that there's more probability for price to go up. So that's what I see, and that's why I decided to close 80% of my position. So that's not what I'm thinking. I still think it's gonna go down, but if it goes down and break the previous low, I'm gonna re-enter. But at this stage, I'm cutting my losses short. Isn't that second white candle a form of minor resistance? Second white candle? Yes, it's minor support. So that's why this blue zone is right here. So it's a minor support. That's why I said it was risky to take, and I will highly suggest everyone to not take it if you don't have experience on GJ. Sasha, what's spread on GJ on your broker? Right now, it's 0.6. Yeah, 0.6, 0.8, 0.5, 0.6, 0.8. So yeah, So that's the spread on Black Bull Market right now. Prime account. So guys, if you want that Prime account, you can click on the referral link on the bottom in this description of the video on YouTube or in my bio on IG, and you're gonna be upgraded to Prime account automatically if you sign with that link.
That's how we met, Sash. You posted on your story that you were changing to Black Bull.
Oh yeah?
I should do the same thing, and you're like, yeah, you should. And it's small Discord. It's small Discord.
That's funny. C'est vrai? Wow.
Yeah, that's nice.
No, I mean the white candle with the longer range but small body as a minor resistance. Send a chart, dude. Shane, send a chart because I'm not sure what you're talking about. Sasha 0.7 spread plus oh yeah, plus commission, yeah, because it's an ECN. Yes.
I don't want to be the plug here, but I have an account with Black Bull, but I also have one with FP Market, so Sosh. It's not as regulated as Black Bull Market, but it's still another good one if you're wondering.
Yeah.
FP Market.
That's good.
Mais j'ai pas comme toi l'espèce de I don't have like the promo code or whatever.
That's fine.
I'm a big baller.
Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Non, c'est ça, je me fous tout le temps. Maintenant, j'ai 2 souris. Je suis tout le temps comme fuckies. No, I have 2 mouse. So I'm always like kind of messed up in my mouse. Let's go, DJ. Let's go.
You use the same station for work, I assume, if you work from home?
I got another computer. I got a third one right here on my right on another table with another screen. And I on those picture I posted, I was missing my iPad also. So yeah.
This guy's a big Apple user.
I never liked Apple. That's the thing. I never liked it too much, but yes. I guess now that I'm using it a lot, I understand why people like it so much. I mean, everything is connected together, so it's pretty good.
My mom is a big Apple user.
Oh yeah.
Apple, what's it called? Well, iPhone, AirPods.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I can consider myself like as an Apple junkie, I guess.
100%.
So yeah, cause I got when I think about it, yeah, I guess I am one. Damn. God damn. Yeah, cause I got the AirPods, I got the iPhone, iPads, the Mac Mini, and
How did this happen?
I don't know. It's just when I'm thinking about it, I'm like, what the hell happened? It's just like,
That's funny.
I guess next step is gonna be the Apple Watch.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? That's gonna be next step. Next funding talent withdrawal. I think I'm gonna go buy an Apple Watch. So.
Oh man, if you do get it, get the Series 3 because there's only Series 3, 5, and 6, and 5 and 6 are just so overpriced, man. Like
Oh yeah.
$600 for a watch.
Jeez.
Like the same thing for 300 is the Series 3. My mom got Series 3 and she's really happy. Bon, ben,
Hey, j'étais curieux quand tu dis que tu t'en vas, là, l'autre jour, tu disais, il faut que j'aille au travail, tout ça, j'étais comme. Quand j'ai repensé à ça, j'étais comme, hey, il dit de la merde.
Non, mais c'est pour pas que j'y aille, parce que
Oh, t'es muté, là. T'es muté, je t'entends plus. Je t'entends plus. Oh, Zane, talk to me for a second. Is it me having a problem?
No, I can hear you.
I guess so. Hold on, wait a second. Sound? Mac Mini? What the hell is happening? Uh-oh. I don't hear anyone anymore.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I don't know what just happened.
You said Sasha can't hear me.
Let me try that. Let's see, let's see. Oh. Okay, now I hear you guys in my AirPods. Yeah, okay, let me close it again. Let's go back to the Mac Mini speaker.
what's up?
There we go. So you guys are back. Alright, cool. I don't know what happened.
So yeah, so I had a meeting in the morning, that's why I had to disconnect.
I see, I see.
It wasn't, I wasn't fucking.
I was like, he's such a liar. He's like, he's working from home. It's like, yeah, I gotta go. Hi guys, bye. I gotta go. Have to go to work. And I'm like, yeah, going to work anywhere. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna follow you on YouTube because I gotta go to work. I'm like,
No, see,
what the hell is he talking about?
plus you too. It's just because I was on I have my other computer here. Hey, morning, buddy. I didn't have my other computer, that's why I had to open it. Oh, are we breaking?
Oh. Wait a second. Wait a second.
Yeah, we are. We're about to. 2 pips away. 3 pips away.
Yes.
Oh, Zane, you got your intro on the GA?
No, I want it looking for long, but I want it on the first 15 minutes for it to come bearish. So the next one could go bullish.
Mm.
I'm not trying to go for the shorts because on the daily it looks like it's still in a.
Yeah. Definitely makes sense.
And it made a big whip start there.
Oh, we don't see that easy.
It broke previous. Oh no! God damn! I was on the 15 minutes on my MT4. God damn! I took the entry. Shit, that is no good. I thought we broke it.
I think volume is coming in though, and you can see it. Je pense que oh yeah, there you go. I mean, it's so close. Yes.
All right, so I re-entered, and okay, now great. Okay, great,
Now it's actually broken.
great, awesome. There we go. So. All right, let's go, GJ. All right, so should be good now. We need to close under this minor support though. Oh no, don't retrace. Don't do this. No. Really?
No, think you think. Come on, DJ.
Don't do this. Why?
The previous 15-minute close no whip.
Yeah. Oh, the 15 minute? Hold on, wait a second. Uh-oh.
True.
I don't like.
Mais sur le 30 minutes, on est deux encore, so
Yeah. 30 minute broke previous high, broke previous low, so it's kind of a coin flip here. We need this candle to close under, but now that first couple minutes of that new 15 minutes gonna retest this.
that's what we want. That's
Yeah,
exactly
it's perfect. So this 15 minute is retesting this zone. Now if we start coming back down, we should be fine. So the first part of the 15 minute went up, and now we're started coming back down for the end of this 30-minute candle. So it's actually forming exactly as I want it to form right now. So that's perfect. So. realistic. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Come down so we can all go to our things. Let's take a look at GA. GA is coming down, retesting 500. Looks like, yeah, we can form support over here and retest that high. So that's GA. So yeah, people are looking at GA. I would definitely wait for this support to be formed and shoot back up. I think that would be a great buy opportunity for GA. Yeah, definitely. It's super clean. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Yeah, this now make a lot of sense on the H1. If you're looking at H1, yeah, looking at H1, I really like H1. It's super clean. To be honest, even if I was trading on H1, I think I would have taken this trade based on this wick coming back down, breaking this low. I would probably enter right away on this H1, expecting H1 to come to 750 at least. H1 definitely made sense. Yep. More than the 30-minute actually. Yeah, I really like more and more H1. All right, baby. Coming down. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's do this. Let's go. Here we go. Breaking again.
It's going to break with the 8 a.m. volume.
Just need to make sure we close under that support for trades to make sense. Yeah.
I know Sasha's in Raja's in this trade, or if he's not, he's like saying he would be in if he was trading.
Yeah, I think yesterday, I think he was trading on his Trader's Domain account.
Oh, nice.
I think. Not sure. Because he's still waiting for his platform.
Yeah.
Oh man, GJ, really? What about GA? Yeah, I think this on GJ. We'll see how next candle prints, but that candle is getting smaller, so maybe next candle is gonna print bullish, and you're probably gonna be able to take a trade on the next one's gonna be 8:30. Yeah, 9 o'clock candle probably.
So that's what I was saying after me on DJ. If he pushes down, yeah, and like makes a big whip down and it closes back in zone, would you close even though it closes bullish?
On GJ?
Yeah. So say if it like came down, yeah, and
And then closing bullish? Oh, yeah.
yeah,
Oh yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's a rejection, now, isn't it?
Yes, definitely. Yes.
Yeah, on GA, yeah, you're looking for
I didn't take another entry yet because I wanted to kind of close. So I got it's barely anything on it, so it's not even if it closes like bullish and stuff, like maybe I'll leave it, but I don't think I'll leave it, to be honest.
La 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 la
It's not
la.
over though. It's not over. 7 minutes left.
but around about this time of the day, towards the last couple seconds, that's when it does that.
Oh yeah, GJ and GA like couple minutes. I mean, actually, couple seconds. Last time, you remember, I was actually we were on the live stream and I was saying, can we in 20 seconds flip bullish? And he actually went bullish, like, and we were bearish like in a drawdown for probably like I don't know 7-8 pips, and it went bullish in like couple seconds. So anything's possible with GJ, and when there's couple seconds left in this candle, man, be careful because anything can happen with GJ.
Josh, remember like I think 2 days ago on that GA, and I sent you the screenshot of the candle. Do you remember the candle?
Yeah.
Literally, like 5 seconds towards the end of the thing.
Yeah.
Made that candle, and the last couple seconds it pushed down.
I know.
I was thinking, and if even from like when it pushed down, it didn't stop pushing.
Yep.
Dropped like 30 pips.
Yeah, couple seconds can change a lot of stuff, man, in trading.
Looking to enter in that one as well.
The what?
Well, you know that the screenshot of the candle I wanted to end that. Was you looking to enter in that one as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was so annoyed. I just got out of the show as well.
Yeah. So now if this close like this, I think that's gonna be great. Next candle, the wick's gonna retest that zone and come back down, you know. So yeah, I think that looks beautiful now. If it closes like this, that's gonna be perfect. But I want a wick. I want a small wick. So there we go. Let's go. Mr. Simon Verville. Ça va, man? Good. Alright, so essentially this. Can hear. Alright, perfect. So yes, so that would make sense now. Hopefully we close like this. We have 4 minutes left.
Hopefully.
H1 does make a lot of sense. H1's super clean. I really love H1. And this 4 hour is bearish, so yeah. Think we're gonna do the same thing as yesterday. And we got this double top also forming now on H4. So in this case, I'm using this golden zone as a target, you know. So, and I'm gonna be securing most of my profits around like the 750 area with the QP. So let's go. All right, 2 minutes left. You know what? I feel yeah. If it closes like this, it's gonna be beautiful. So I'm gonna get ready with the N10 because I have a great feeling.
There you go. Should close like this.
That's it. Amazing, amazing.
Non, à chaque fois qu'il break un petit peu plus loin, il trace. Là.
Ouais.
Genre, je vais être up, genre 3-4 pips, puis il vient moins 2 pips. 3-4 pips, 2 pips, 4 pips, moins 2 pips.
I have one of my position that small runner is at 6 pips now, but the rest,
Ouais, il toquait à le top, hein.
yeah, but the rest is like at 1 pip, 1.6.
Nice.
So
Yeah, you got good entries. T'es bon en esti pour ça, je trouve ça faire le genre. T'es down genre 4 pips, ça fait juste quand on en prend un autre là. Puis t'es comme, moi je suis comme genre, wow, what? Not there yet.
yeah, there we go. Nice dip here. Great.
1 minute left right before the New York Open.
That's great. And the NY volume should continue down, so if it closes like this, it's beautiful.
T'es prêt, puis tes pieds est prêt, tout est beau. We're ready.
And I placed my partial at 15 pips on that one. Because,
Mine is, yeah, mine reduced mine on aussi.
oh yeah, baby. Yes, sir. That's great. That's great. Awesome.
Perfect close. Wow, perfect.
No, not if it closes like this.
Yeah, sorry.
Leave us a little wick, at least. There we go. Perfect. Close like this, it's going to be amazing. Yeah. It can close like this, it's going to be perfect. Come on, 30 seconds. Man, I'm so excited this morning. Started with a nice win. Like, yeah, started with a nice win, and that's going to be the second win in a row. I closed some partials earlier in the drawdown of, like, I think was 4 pips, I think. So, but I still have like 20% from my first entry. And yes, that's a beautiful close here. So that's a beautiful close. Now this candle should wick up, retest that minor support, and come back down, break the previous low, and we should be heading to 750. Yes. This is the close of the 1 hour also. So the only thing though, this is a small body candle in 1 hour. So that's the only thing. But except that, we got clean traffic to the left side. I mean, yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, there we go. Broke previous low. That looks good. Looks pretty good, my friend. Alright, so that runner is now at... yeah, that runner is close to 10 pips now. It's 9-ish. But we should retest that zone a little bit more. And we're gonna get some NY open volume coming up pretty soon also. What about H1? Did we broke low on H1? Oh yeah. Amazing. Oh yeah, because this was the last 30 minutes of that 1 hour, so that makes sense. Beautiful. What about GA? What's up with GA? GA looks like, yeah. I think you should get your support in this 30 minute. And you're going to be able to ride the 830. Worst case, this one's going to print like doji. Next one's going to print bullish. And yeah. You'll see. Man, j'ai hâte d'aller écouter le game recap d'hier. Là.
Yeah.
Je sais pas quand j'ai manqué la game. Il était ben trop tard. Là. Ça commençait pas à 10h, ça?
À 10 heures,
Ouais, c'est ça. Je
c'était
suis
à
rendu,
11h30 ici aussi.
je suis rendu vieux, moi, man. Ouais. Puis jeune, là, cette face-là. Là. Rasé, j'ai l'air jeune. C'est pour ça, à ce temps, je me rase tout le temps, ça.
But can you decide what you want to do? Like, it's not comfortable.
Ton esti de chat, man.
So clingy, man. That's what I learned. C'est une
This guy.
C'est une chaise de montagne, juste crampé. Oh man.
N'importe quoi. C'est fucking drôle, les Sphinx.
Il veut juste toujours être charismatique. Il a besoin d'attention. C'est insane.
What about gold? Did gold move? Not yet. So people trading gold, I mean, gold is just ranging at this point. I mean, buy is going to be valid above this zone and above 1875, and after that you guys got like phew, clean traffic to the left side. So yeah, it can be amazing buys on gold. But I don't trade gold. So Ah, c'est Simon qui a causé ça, la chef de montagne. Ok, nice. Ah, c'est beau. Let's go, DJ. Let's go. Man, ça va pas me faire niaiser jusqu'à 9h, là, GG. So technically volume, most of the time I see volume coming in around like 8:23, right, around there.
Roger's on it too. He's on the stream. He puts the green thing. So he's in it.
I don't even need to know, bro.
No, I know. Just
I was just about to go long on EJ.
On EJ.
I was thinking,
nice.
I just,
But EJ to me is way too slow. I don't like EJ.
no, my zone was just a bit lower than that. Like, let me see.
He had a nice move yesterday, though. I'll give it to you. Like it fell all day.
I don't know about this, man.
But what?
It looks nice on 1 hour, though.
EJ?
Yeah. Looks nice on 1 hour, but 30 minutes, you got this minor resistance here.
I'm saying that my zone's like here.
But H1 makes sense, though. It's clean. Pretty clean. What's up, GJ, man? Come on.
Oh, yesterday was nice.
T'as-tu pris un trio break, là? Genre, quoi, c'est qui en ce moment? Right?
Ouais.
So have you moved your stops to the previous 30 minute?
Mine is still above 142.
Yeah.
Again, I didn't take an entry. I didn't add it to my position, so it's a very small runner. So.
If it comes and touches this resistance.
If it goes above 141, 950, if it comes back up, I'm gonna close out.
Yeah, I just moved my stop. Above previous 30-minute wick. Man, I'm so tired.
I just got entered in literally in that zone just now.
On GJ?
Yeah, GJ.
Oh.
Yeah, it's all good.
I was gonna say if you draw this, you're against us.
Yeah. Don't do this, man.
Yeah, so I was gonna say get out of the Zoom.
Don't jinx it.
I have a friend like that one time. Like I get in a trade, but I'm in a trade too with like nice, which better go like the same trade I'm trading that nice. You're in a short with me. He's like, no, I'm buying. Like,
Yeah. Shane, EU challenging the White House again? Oh. Yeah. All right, so now we have a pretty nice wick retest to the zone. So that's a decent retest. So now, I mean, if we start coming and break that low, now it should continue now. Oh, weekly high. I said White House. It wouldn't not be surprising. EU challenging the White House, it would not be surprising also. So, but weekly high on EJ on EU. Yeah, EU, man. Sorry, dude, but EU. I don't. I just. This is the worst pair ever of forex. It is the most manipulated pair out there. So I'm not gonna even put it on my chart because I am scared. No, EU is the worst thing ever. But if you want to send a chart though, send a chart and I'm gonna take a look at it. But I'm not gonna put EU on my trading view. I'm too scared of something happen. It's EU is. I'm telling you, it's so manipulated. It's just not even funny. Um, okay, man. Why are you taking so long? Man, this January month has been like challenging, to be honest. It was challenging. It's funny because the first week, the first couple days was pretty smooth. It was pretty regular volume. It was, I don't know about volume, but regular moves. It was moving as expected, and as what I'm used to see. But in the past 2 weeks, man, phew, it's not moving like it's used to move. So took some trade that most of the time, like 80% of the time, be winning, and maybe I would say 90%, and lately it's just like going against me. So it is what it is.
literally, no.
What's up, GJ? Come on. H1. Don't forget, this is the beginning of that new hour candle also. So it's normal that the first 15, 20 minutes we go the opposite way, and after that we should coming back down. So
I think that's even better. That's the
yeah, that's actually better, to be honest. Because if it wicks down right away in that first couple minutes, most of the time after that it'll create a bottom wick and it shoot backs up against you. So I like the fact that right now the 10 past minute where I've been spending creating that top wick. So
but the even better would be for a Friday minute just to like have a rejection of that zone.
yep.
Close back, bullish, yeah. Just a little bullish time.
Yeah, it's even good if on 15 minutes, in 4 minutes, if this one close like bullish, it's gonna be a break and a retest, classic. It's gonna be break. This one's a doji, so for me it doesn't count. So break, this one close bullish, retest, the next one create resistance and melt, right? On the 15 minutes. So that would be perfect for a 30-minute time frame here. All right, let me go grab some water. I'll be right back. It's snowing. It's snowing.
Apparently, a snowstorm coming starting here in this noon.
Oh, EJ is shooting up.
Apparemment, les 45 cm qui s'en vient ici.
Oh.
Last year, they had 90 centimeters in 2 days.
Zane, you were right, man.
You know, I was literally so close, but it wasn't that I didn't see anything wrong with it. I just wasn't feeling it.
Yeah.
On EJ?
Yeah.
But at least I know.
But the thing though with EJ is most of the time when he breaks a zone, it will give you a retest. But that one just didn't give it to you.
It came on the wick. That's what I was gonna.
Oh yeah.
That's what I was waiting for. Yeah, but normally when pairs like come back, yeah, if it comes just outside the zone, I enter like one position where it comes out and not on a retest just in case.
La 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 la. Alright, so guys, if you are on YouTube or on the Zoom, go give a like to the YouTube. Smash that like button. Where's my mouse? Oh, here. There we go. Got the smash like button. And don't forget to subscribe also, so you'll know when we go live next time. Donc, si vous êtes sur le stream, présentement, n'oubliez pas de donner un like aux vidéos et si vous êtes sur Zoom aussi, allez faire un petit tour, liker la vidéo. N'oubliez pas de vous inscrire sur le channel. Comme ça, vous allez être mis au courant quand on met des nouveaux vidéos, des nouveaux contenus. So, this 15 minutes is closing, I guess, like we just said. Right? Isn't it? Yes. So we got this 15-minute closing bullish, which is perfect for me. And the reason why is exactly what I was expecting. Coming price break retest, right? Next one should close bearish, forming resistance. And next one should melt. So, yeah.
Anything that doesn't close in the zone is good.
Yep. So that's perfect right now. So that was exactly what I expected so far. So amazing. It's just taking long. Just taking a long time.
See how the 30-minute closes, but if it closes bullish like this,
Oh yeah, if it closing back in this range, it's not good.
you're gonna close.
It's not good. Um, how can I already have 22 emails? God damn. Alright, so come on, GJ. Yeah, for sure. If this one closed bullish, that's gonna be a big no-no. Especially that, I mean, it's rejecting this golden zone right now. So that was my target for sells. Coming in that zone. So that zone can be a rejection zone. So you gotta be very careful here. So it was like going against the trend, which is very, very, very not recommended. But yeah, so I saw this move yesterday and a couple of days before, so I was like, I'm not gonna miss on that one. I actually grabbed nice profits earlier this morning, so that's why I'm not really stressed right now. Yeah.
Waiting for the 3-minute close, but if we're engulfing like this,
Oh yeah, that's not gonna be a big no.
see Roger.
It will actually show that we're going back up now, because this is rejecting the golden zone, forming support. So, but the only thing is I wouldn't take a buy because of this 142, to be honest.
I'd rather be above 142 if I would be buying, but
Yeah.
really thought I was gonna go down. I'll wait till the close though, but still he's coming in high second or 3-minute chance like that's crazy.
Yeah.
Close most of my position.
Yeah. At this point, I mean, it's gonna be closing partials, and yeah. Cause what we got? What 9 minutes? Nah, I'm gonna wait a little bit.
Yeah, 9 minutes. You know,
Let's wait this 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Yeah, that one, that's not good. Yeah, I'm gonna close some.
my stop is really close to realistic stop loss, but these guys basically will wide to come in.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna take out the top sheet now.
Because the yen's pretty damn strong.
Yeah. But if the yen's strong, I mean, we should go down. Man, GJ lately is giving me some challenge.
Yeah, it's tough to, we talked about this in the chat, it's in those moments that like you gotta get stuff will be like, yes, nothing's working, like I thought I had it right, blah blah blah.
Yep.
This is gonna be my first loss of 2021.
Yeah, and it feels right. I mean, those kind of things will play with your psychology so much. Because you'd be like, oh man, I don't know how to trade anymore. Nothing has been working. So it will definitely put yourself into personal doubt. So you got to be strong in your head and knowing that this is just the market. Market is not the way it is usually right now. So just still believe in yourself, believe in your analysis. It's not because it's not been working for a couple of days that suddenly you don't know how to draw zones and your strategy is not working. And no, it's working. It's just not working now. But if you're still managing risk, cutting losses short, at the end of the day, you're gonna be good. You're gonna be fine. So, Shane, I'm out 2/3 out of this short now. Yes, that's smart. That's actually smart.
I would wait because if it closes just below the zone,
Yep.
they have expected previous highs, and it creates like a little
Liquidity wick. Because if you look at H1, let's take a look at H1. Yeah, H1. Yeah. If H1 forms support though at 9 o'clock, that's gonna be that's gonna be a big no because H1 support and H1 resistance are very 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 well respected usually. So I mean if this forms support, this going back up, but still have like 40 minutes left into the 1 hour. So. Boom, boom, boom. GA doesn't know what to do yet. There's low volume in GA right now. Weird. EJ is going up. And what about gold? Gold. What's up with gold? Oh, gold dipped down and came back up in that range.
Yeah.
Wow. I guess on the
Not over though. I feel like
no, she's still very much on. Needs to stay away from that.
a 30-minute high. Yeah.
Stock's still above 142.
No. I brought it down all the way to 141, 950. So like I'm 2 pips away from it getting hit. But again, like it's if I get hit, I think only like 60% of what I risk. So I'll be losing I think like 0.4% instead of 0.6. So I'm happy with this trade even though it's a loss. I'm really happy with it.
yeah. I think it still makes sense, but yeah, and I mean we knew that it was risky because it was a counter trend, right? Counter trend trade. I always have a hard time saying that.
It wasn't that like I mean it was on. I think it was obvious that it was gonna come down. I think all the signs were showing it was gonna come down, especially last week candle the way it closed.
Yeah.
But it is what it is.
Oops. What happened? What the hell I did? Hold on, wait a second. What am I
The
trying?
last minute, so
Who knows what's gonna happen? Who knows?
Yeah, 2 minutes left. That would be amazing to see a retrace way like all the way down. That'd be crazy, you know. Liquidity wick and bam. I mean, I saw that before. It's possible.
Yeah.
Oh man, on my live account it got stopped
No, it's not what it is.
by the spread. Shit. But my funding talent account is still up. So
Honestly, if you end up, if we end up, if January doesn't change and it stays like the same with the moves and stuff, and we end up down by like less than 5%, I think it's a very positive month.
yep. So far, one win for today, and that win was from this sale over here that I took. It was, and I explained at the beginning. So the sale was right here. Boom. So that was the first sell this morning. So it went to 16 pips, and I closed, I think it was like at 14 pips. So that was good, and now looking for a second trade, and if it's a loss, oh, it kind of gapped on my my MT4. That's weird.
Yeah, it is same for me.
Huh.
I'm out.
But yeah, we'll see. This candle has no wick at the top, right? I close.
Overall, I took an 8 pip loss instead of
Yeah,
15.
so
That's pretty good. That's actually very good.
actually really good. Yeah, so I closed most of my position. Sorry guys, I'm so tired. Yeah, so close most of my position right now, but left a small runner. See if this no top wick is gonna push the price down, but I don't think so.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go. This trade took literally an hour.
Yeah, I know, it's a long ass one.
I think, let me check what up. Wow. Oh well.
It is what it
It
is.
is what it is.
But so far, we're still creating higher lows. Oh, yes.
Lower eyes, you mean?
Lower eye, sorry. Yeah. That's good because I'm risking not much, so gonna let it go. Especially that my stop now is like, first of all, it was like around like 142, and now it's just like, not 142, sorry, it was above the previous 30-minute candle when we entered. So my stop at first was like, when we entered was over here, so my stop was like here. Now I put it like around here, so also now I got stop, oh, almost. So, oh man, it's really close to my stop loss right now. Ooh. Ooh, that runner's gonna get stopped. Oh, and it got stopped. Horrible. Alright, so I guess I'm done for the day. So, one win, one loss, but the winner was bigger than the loser, so that's good.
That's a good enough.
That's always good. So yeah, that's it. That was the trades for today.
Well, yeah, it's going to 142 now. Like, it is what it is, man.
That's
Too
it.
much about it.
No, not much. Not much, not much.
Oh, yeah. Same rate for you.
Yep. Yeah, boy.
We bounced literally in the golden zone.
Oh, look at GA. GA is getting. GA is gonna be nice.
Also bouncing.
GA is gonna be nice. Yeah. Forming support right now on H1.
30-minute close like this, yeah, it's gonna be for sure.
Just gotta be careful this minor resistance, but based on H1 makes sense. Da, 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 da.
More stuff I gotta go.
All right, take care, buddy. Yeah, so I'm gonna be closing this.
But I gotta start working. So on se parle dans le chat.
Yeah, that's fine. Take care, buddy. So yeah, guys, so one win, one loss. Donc un trade gagnant, un trade perdant. Le trade perdant était plus petit que le gagnant, donc c'est ça qui est important. Donc très important. Donc sur ce, si vous avez pris un trade, deux trades, arrêtez ça là maintenant. Sur ce, je vous souhaite une excellente fin de journée. Je vous vois demain pour Forex Talk Over Beer, donc demain soir à 6h p.m. So I see you tomorrow night at 6 p.m. Eastern for Forex Talk Over Beer on Friday. So until then, trade safe. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like the stream and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much and have a great day.